Something about getting outdoors, not just your backyard, but into the wild, into the places that push your imagination and limits. We understand the pursuit of the journey, the passion for adventure, the thrill of the chase. From the founders of Tepui, we now bring you Hitchfire. With every outdoor pursuit comes the need for reliable, purpose-built, rugged gear. Something you never second guess, never doubt, just know and trust. We hear you. We understand. It's in our blood too. That's why we created the Forge 15. It's not a grill, it's adventure grilling.
Hi everybody, welcome to Light Moses. I'm Seth, here to introduce to you the all-new Light Moses 360-degree LED headlight bulb conversion kit. As an industry-leading brand, we have developed a 360-degree angle light source technology at Light Moses. Each bulb features 15 pieces of original American Cree chip display to avoid ghosting, shadows, spots, and dead angles. Each set provides 6,000K sky white color and a 50,000 hour lifespan, giving you the ultimate driving experience. If you have the H11, 9005 or HB3, 9006 or HB4, or the 9012 model, first, twist and remove the old halogen bulb from the lamp deck. Next, insert your new Light Moses bulb into the deck, align the notches, twist, and secure. Next, connect the bulb to the driver. Lock it in tight. Then, connect the driver to the power line of your car. We just installed the premium 360-degree LED headlight bulbs into this vehicle here. As we can see, the spread is very even. No ghosting, shadows, spots, or dead angles. The headlight bulbs offer great brightness, sky white color, and the light goes a great distance. Thank you for your interest in Light Moses.
on a long road trip or simply traveling with a group of people, you need more than one charger, but USB and charging ports are limited in most vehicles. That's where the X5 charger comes in. The X5 USB car charger delivers lightning-fast charging speeds while supporting up to 5 devices at once. Its intelligent recognition technology identifies your device, adjusts to its capabilities, and delivers the fastest charge for that device. For example, charging a tablet and charging a smartphone aren't the same thing. No more having to constantly switch out phones and devices. You can purchase the X5 car charger for $24.99 at rapidex.io.